Uyazi ukuthi yini uSathane? Uyazi ukuthi yini isono? Uyazi ukuthi yini ukuhlala kuye? Yabona impilo inzima, impilo ilula at the same time. Ngenxa yokuthini? Lezi zinto zombili oyibiza wena ngoNkulunkulu nalokho okubiza ngoSathane. Zombili lezo zinto zi-operate kuwe. That is why impilo inzima iphinde ibe lula futhi. So, kudingeka ukuthi at any given point in time ukwazi ukuqhakambisa lokho okubiza ngoNkulunkulu wena kuwe, ukwazi ukuqhakambisa kona ebese u-embrace. Yes, angisho ukuthi ubalekele, u-embrace nalokho okubiza ngoSathane. Uku-embrace kanjani? Uba aware ukuthi kukhona, awulwi nakho ngoba anything you fight will always fight back. But light and darkness, lezo zinto ziyadingana. La impilo isebenza ngeduality, isebenza nga two poles of the same coin, or two sides of the same coin, or two polar opposites. Impilo ayihambi nokukodwa. That is why impilo izobalula, impilo ibe nzima, uphinde ube noNkulunkulu, uphinde ube noSathane ngaphakathi kuwena ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha othi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona into ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. I have made some strong claims njengamanje, and angazi ukuthi ngiqale ngakuphi, kodwa ke engizoqala ngakho njengamanje ilokhu. uSathane, isono, lezi zinto zi-operate kuwena. Yini isono? Sono is faith in evil. Indaba kube lula kumuntu ukuthi acabanga ukuthi something terrible, something bad is easy to happen kuyena noma empilweni, okunokuthi acabanga ukuthi something exceptionally well and extraordinary can still happen kuyena. Kulula nje ukuthi acabanga ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uyoshayisa nemoto, noma uyoginqika nemoto, noma uyobanjwa inkunzi, noma kuyokwenzeka into ebad, noma uyoshonelwa ingane. Kulula nje ukuthi lokho akucabange to the point ukuthi aze asabe. Kulula ukwenza lokho, aze afile ama energies aleyo yinto leyo, noma ukuba terrible kwaleyo yinto. Kulula aze akufile, abe nama emotions akho easy. But kunzima kuyena ukuthi afile the opposite. Yena eseyibona esehlala kwi-double story, noma yena ese-owner 3-4 houses, noma yena esehlala endaweni efuna. Lokho kunzima, uvele kube nzima lokho. Ngazi ukuthi uyahallucinate noma uyafantasize, noma ngazi ukuthi nje uyadlala umsangano, akaqhubeki nakuqhubeka nje. It's just a wish nje. Akafili ngisho ama-emotions aleyo yinto leyo ukuthi can still happen. That is what we call isono, faith in evil. Faith in something terrible might happen than to think something and believe something good can still happen to you. Yona into esibiza ngesona leyo. Sathane futhi loyo kuyahambisana lokho kubiza ngoSathane, kona impela lokho futhi. Ngithi yabo, kona impela ke lokho, because we are vibrating lower, we are vibrating higher. Vibrating lower, negative emotions, negative feelings, fear that something bad can happen. Sathane. Vibrating higher, joy, happiness, peace. Uzozizwa kanjani uma ngabe usu-owner zonke lezi zinto onelungelo lokuzi-owner la emhlabeni? Uvele uzoba at peace, uzozizwa u-fulfilled. Why? It's hard to feel the radiations, to feel the energy of that, the emotions of that, the energy in motion of that. Why it's hard? Sathane ke lo. Lezi zinto zi-operate kuphi? Zi-operate kuwena zombili. Zi-operate kuwena zombili. Indaba ngithe yini ukuhlala kuye. Nombuzo ngithe yini ukuhlala kuye. Lo mbuzo uhambisana nokuthi impilo inzima futhi impilo ilula at the same time. Ukuhlala kuye ikuphi kuye ethi yena take no thought. Impilo ilula muhle likuyena. Kanjani na? Nini nikhatheleyo nani enisendwayo ozani kimi ngizonithula imithwalo. In the present moment where you take no thought, you have no impilo iyaqhubeka without you thinking and worrying about it. You can't think about life and still live it. If you think it, you are not going to live it. If you live it, you are not going to think it. Worrying just consumes your mental energy for nothing. Ukuhlala kuyena ke ukufana nengane. Angithi kona athi umbuso wezulu ungowabantwana. Kusho lokho because children don't worry. Ukuhlala kuyena ke lo taking no thought. Kulula ke. Uma uzokwenza njalo kuzoba lula. Impilo izoba lula ngalendlela because you won't worry. You will say ignorance is bliss. You won't worry about what is going to happen tomorrow. You will live life and surrender. Yabo, and not micromanage life. Because life happens with or without you. There is life. That one is easy to take no thought. Who can take no thought? That is why life is so simple and easy. Because of that. It's hard. Because it's hard to do that. It's too good to be true. I really don't have to worry about anything. It's hard because our program, our hardwire, we have been conditioned to figure out life. Fear. And the fear of the unknown. Yabo, the uncertainty, trying to figure out things. Micromanage life. That's what you used to do. Just doing nothing is what hard. That one is hard. We are not conditioned. We want to survive. We've been living for so long, millions of years, surviving. It is in our DNA. It is in our biology to survive. We just need to survive. We need to worry. We need to figure things out for us to be safe at any given point in time in life. Now we are trying to make life be mathematics. We are solving it. We are not even living it. We worry. But it's very hard. Ubani worry. People worry. Ukuba kuyena ke it means you are going to surrender. Nina nikhathele nani nisindwayo sani kimi ngizonithula imithwalo. You are going to live life. And never worry about what is going to happen. Because life happens. Life, impilo, with or without you, what has to happen will happen. Regardless whether you worry or not. It just no use here to worry about something that will happen if it has to happen. Why worry? You see, it's so easy. It's easier said than done. Akekho nje umuntu ongaworry la ukuthi what is going to happen tomorrow? How am I going to solve this? What I need to do? But life takes care of itself. In actual fact, life takes care of itself. Uwara ngengane zakhe. I'm worried about my children. I'm worried about what will happen if I'm not there. Because what will happen will happen. Life will take care of itself because when you didn't even consciously ask yourself. You didn't ask for that. You find yourself here. Not consciously ask what I want to be here. But now you start to worry just because you are here. Why don't you think the very same thing that decided that you come here, it will take care of you being here? It's hard to do that. Do you trust? Abantu bamthemba umdali bamthemba uNkulunkulu kodwa mungena emotweni zabo mufika emzimbeni yabo ukhalweni labo kuphi nakuphi amathemba abo yawabona happy kahle yabo umdala akuyona into tangible oyibamba oyibona wena is nothing and everything at the same time yabo trust it means you will trust the unknown kunzima kona lokho kukwenza